Hello and welcome to my video about study skills. It's the academic support class that your child is in. I'm Amy Oldakowski, and Donna Lazars is the paraprofessional in the classroom also. So welcome. I just want to take the opportunity to let you know how the class is set up. My class is during the B2 block. The B blocks are very they only meet every other week, and it depends on what cohort your child is part of. So it's probably the most difficult block. B1 and B2 blocks, they're really difficult to meet up with kids and have the kids remember that the B blocks exist. There is a virtual meeting that I'm asking all students to attend on Wednesdays. And so I just want them to check in with me, let me know how they're doing. It's not that I will make them stay there the entire time, although I have, because I need to check in with them and make sure that everything's going okay. The schedule, though, really does depend on the cohort, whether your child is A, B, or C, or fully remote. And so those schedules have been provided to you. Study skills, though, is worth 1 credit, just like any other course. And so there are things that I am assigning. I know that I've kind of tried to ease back a little bit. I don't know if your child has talked to you about Edgenuity. There is a course that I've assigned to the class called Strategies for Academic Success. And so I do expect that they will complete that coursework a lot, it goes all year long. So the B block classes do go all year. And so by the end of the year, they should complete that course. It's not super long. It can be, I'm finding some of the quizzes are a little bit difficult, but I'm willing to work with your child, and, I can bypass quizzes if they get stuck. And so their priority really should be to work on homework and the classwork for other classes. And then when they're done, that they would work on the Edgenuity assignments. I've also started some discussion boards that are based around like social emotional themes that I'm hoping. It's been a little rough getting started. I know people are frustrated, and I know that a lot of students feel overwhelmed. And so I'm just trying to back off a little bit on my assignments, I guess. But it's so important for people to check in with me so I can know how they're doing, and then kind of send them on their way. And I'll talk a little bit about how I can monitor what they're doing. They do get points for attendance to the virtual meeting. So even if they check in and it's 10 minutes, they get points for that. So this slide is a little bit more about Edgenuity. Some of the lessons that include understanding motivation, what is your learning style, and how to be proactive in getting work done, reaching out to teachers. And so I think it's a valuable course. I never want to assign anything for busy work. I think it's valuable, and I hope that it helps them. So we have something called GoGuardian. And through GoGuardian, my expectations is that I'm going to check in with students during the virtual meetings. Then I'll send them on their way. However, I can still monitor what it is that they're doing through GoGuardian. And what that does is I can see their screen, and I can see what they're doing. In fact, I can even go in and write on their document. So if they're struggling with math, I can go in and write and help them. If they're having trouble with some of the tools in Kami, I can go in and help them with that. So it's sort of creepy, but it's very helpful to us. So we can kind of monitor, as long as your student is using, or your child is using Aware Chromebook, then I can see what it is that they're doing. Okay. And so that's pretty much it about study skills. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can email me. You can call me at the school. I understand everyone's frustration during this time, and I hope to hear from you. I don't want your child to be frustrated or confused. And so I would hope that they would, seek me out and that you would too. Thank you so much. Bye.